Donkey has a heavy load and a trick to avoid carrying it. Level 13.
Please look at me and give me your attention. Get ready to warm up. Choose an activity to begin.
Welcome to the Global Mindset University. I'm your host, Mehfuz Reshid, and today I'm teaching you about Lexia, from level 1 to level 21. Here we
Donkey has a heavy load and a trick to avoid carrying it. How many times will Donkey's owner fall for Donkey's trick? Is there a lesson to learn?
A long time ago in
Merchant. A merchant is a person who sells things.
bought big sacks of salt at the market. He loaded the sack onto his donkey back and then just two set off. They came down the stream and began to wade.
Wade. To wade is to walk through shallow water.
Crash the heavy burden
Burden. A burden is a heavy load.
caused the donkey to lose his balance. He slid and fell into the water. When the donkey stood up again, his load was much lighter, which the salt has dissolved into
Dissolved.
in the
To dissolve is to become mixed into a liquid.
The merchant returned to the market and bought salt again. Once he loaded sacks into the donkey's back. When they came to the stream again, the donkey remembered how his weight in his burden. And quickly fell into the water. The salt melted away, and the donkey took his boot without the weight of his load. The merchant watched with a knowing look as he led the donkey past him. This time the merchant did not buy salt. He bought a load of sponges. When he done, and the donkey came to the stream, he quickly laid down the sponges, flowed with the water back on his feet. The donkey was surprised to find his load was much heavier than before. What's the story mainly about?
Find the most important thing that the characters learn, do, or feel.
Why does the raven use
Moral. The moral of a story is the lesson it teaches about life.
Look back at the details in this story and think about what important message they teach. Many stories have a main message that teaches. The message may not be stated exactly, but you can think about the details all together to figure it out. What important message or idea does this story show? Use the highlighted parts of the passage to help you. You may need to scroll down.
You read 3 old tales. Each one had a different message to teach. What message is important enough for you to pass along?
That's all we have today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to get new videos. Bye. I'll see you in the next episode.
Welcome to our Mirror's World. On today's episode, we're going to Lexia, but before we do it, I'm going to give you some tips and clues.
So,
let's get started.
That's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode. That's all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode.